Vintage Super Mario Bros. Game sells for $114,000. You ever played this game? You ever heard of this game, Super Mario Bros?
Yeah. My childhood.
1985 that came out. And this one is sealed. And it's a record breaker for this particular auction house. It's the most expensive cartridge they sold. It actually defeated a different Super Mario Bros. Cartridge, which was like $100,000. This one's $114,000. It's such a crazy market. This market, they rate and rank the condition of the seal and the pigment on the ink, and if it's faded. And you see this one like 9.4, A+. And there's different groups and companies that are able to set this standard and evaluate the condition of a cartridge. Whoever bought this for $114,000, they're just going to look at it. Well, it's just going to bring them tingly feelings when they look at it.
Oh yeah,
which is kind of cool. I don't know. I mean, I sent the thing to you, the Space Odyssey, the spacesuit. Apparently, going to go $300,000 on that other memorabilia auction.
Oh yeah,
and a couple of other funny ones. The Kit, the car from Knight Rider. It's obviously cool collectibles, and they're more meaningful to some people than others. Other people look at this and say, "You paid $114,000 for what?" Right? But if you're Tim Cook, you don't care. You put this on a shelf.
Yeah, I mean, this would be the game, right?
I think Tim Cook's actually from Texas. Maybe he's the one who bid on this.
Oh.
See, this was a Dallas auction house, but I mean, obviously Tim's busy at the futuristic Cupertino land.
You can definitely afford this.
Working at the spaceship.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he does with all his money. Collects old cartridges. So the other big game at this particular auction was a copy of Mike Tyson's Punch-Out from 1987, which was the boxing game. I don't know if you played that one. Mm-hmm. And that sold for $50,400. That was likely another sealed copy as well. Yeah, I mean, people are into all kinds of things, including old sealed cartridges that they'll never play, that they'll just stare at so they can tingle.